In this video, I'll show you how to upload files to Gamma AI in 2026. First, open Gamma AI on your PC or laptop and log in to your account. Once you're inside your Gamma workspace, start a new project or open an existing project where you want to use your file. To upload a file, look for the option to import, upload, or add content in the Gamma interface. Select the appropriate option and choose the file you want to use from your computer. Depending on the file type supported by Gamma, you may be able to upload documents or other content that you want to turn into a presentation or use as a starting point. After selecting your file, wait while Gamma processes the content. The time required may depend on the file size and the amount of information it contains. Once the file has been processed, review the imported content carefully. Gamma may organize the information into sections or presentation cards, making it easier to turn your existing material into a professional presentation. You can now edit the generated content. Change headings, rewrite text, add images, remove unnecessary sections, and adjust the layout according to your needs. Uploading an existing file can be especially useful if you already have notes, reports, documents, or other information and want to transform that content into a more visual presentation. Before using the final presentation, make sure Gamma has imported the information correctly. Check important details, names, numbers, formatting, and other content for errors. If the result needs improvement, you can edit the presentation and customize it to better match your requirements. Once everything looks good, you can preview the presentation and use Gamma's available sharing or export options to continue with your project. And that's how you can upload files to Gamma AI in 2026. This feature can save